Hello you guys, it is Kaylee here, and today I'm coming at you with a tour and review of the Gulf Beach RV Resort in Biloxi, Mississippi. Just got out of the shower, no makeup, nothing in my hair or anything, but it's my birthday, so I'm allowed to look a little busted today. I'm taking it easy. But I wanted to go over a couple things before we just go into the drive around tour. This park, I'm so on the fence about what I think about it. It's clean. It's nice, but it's not, like, the layout is kind of weird, I think. Like, we're staying in one side of the park, and then there's a street that separates you from the other side of the RV park. So it kind of feels like two separate RV parks. And then it's gated, but the gates never close. So it's, I'm not sure. And then the pools are really small. The one on our side, we're staying in spot 51. So we're staying in the portion that's across the street from the main office and whatnot. This pool is bigger and it's less crowded. The other one is pretty darn small. Staff is super friendly. It is clean. It kind of gives you parking lot vibes. Like, I feel like we're staying in a parking lot that does have a swimming pool. That doesn't mean it's not nice. It's nice. I don't have anything really negative to say. And I will say it's very cool to stay, right across from the ocean, right across from the beach. And especially if you're in the pool, you can look and actually see the ocean while you're swimming. So that's really cool. But one thing I will mention as well, especially like if you have kids or you're pulling a wagon or pushing a stroller, something like that, it is kind of a challenge to get to the beach. You are close, but there's not a walkway near here. So when you cross the street, you're going to be in the middle of traffic, and it's a very busy road. So there's no like crossing light, there's no crosswalk that we could find. So you kind of just have to wait for a break in traffic, go to the middle, wait for another break, and then go the rest of the way. So sometimes with kiddos, or heck, just me being clumsy or slow, it's just kind of a challenge. But it is nice. You get the white sand. The water it's pretty nice. Right now, it's not like clear water, but you do have white sand, so I love my white sand. But yeah, those are just a couple of things. I don't know. I mean, a little bit above average, I'd say. So I'm not sure if we'll be coming back here, but I just wanted to go ahead and do this drive around and show you guys this RV park in Biloxi, Mississippi.